What's up, friends in the hood? Greetings to everybody and welcome if you're new to this channel. Today's upgrade time again, guys. So it's been a long while upgrading something. So this is here the XLF F22A, and it's a really nice car, really nice special. But as you know, I always like to upgrade. So what do we have, guys? We have some nice loose big rocks tires. So what we're going to do is some nice lights for night runs. So we hook it up from the EOC to power it, and yeah, some hub extenders, so get a wider spur, and maybe the one or other thing. So maybe a fan, cooling fan, better. We will see, guys. So as you all know, the loose wheels are sick, totally sick. Let me show you one. Look at these tires. They're so good, really. Such a good quality. It's unbelievable, really. Man, they're glued for sure and with foam, and man, they feel good, really. They feel good. I like them very much. So yeah, what should I say, guys? So let's go over to the studio and give me a little upgrade. So a lot of you guys asked me for some upgrade shocks, and here's my suggestion, guys. So I'll show you. Here they are. These are the ZD Racing. I had them on a previous buy from me, and these are super great and exactly the same length. So let me show you, guys. So here you are. Can you see that? Yes, they will fit. They are a little bit thicker in the diameter, but no problem. Maybe you put some washers on it, you can see for the gap, but it will work, and they're working super good. So that's my suggestion for you guys. Hope that helps. So let's get the wheels off, guys. It's not necessary, but I like to make the spur wider, but you don't need these hub extenders to put on the extra wheels. And as you can see, guys, they won't fit 100%. The diameter is a little bit thicker from CVD, but that's no problem. So make it a little bit wider, very easy, then they fit 100%. So here's the special tool. I have it also all the time on my video description, guys. And that's it. Super easy, 100% straight, no problem. So here we are, and just put this O-ring to secure the extra pin, and that's it. You can see it, secure so it can't get out. And on the rear the same. Well, let's do this to the other side. I'm finished with the hub extenders. How do you like it, guys? Man, it looks super sweet. And now the tires. So here are the loose wheels, like I showed you before. Super perfect, really good quality, guys. And I have another set. So these are the ZD Racings. They're a little bit thicker, a little bit wider, a little bit more in diameter, but as you can see, but both will work. So you can choose. I will take the loose wheels this time. I like both of them, guys. Looks super dope, really. But for this time, I'm staying with the loose wheels. Yeah, guys, and what I always do is Loctite on the screws on the hex nut. It's a must, really. And all the work with the XIAOMI Wowstick, best tool ever. Yep, that looks nice. And now let me show you. Here's our splitter cable for the servo, for the EC. And let me show you guys. So we have only one port here in the EC receiver combo, so let's get the servo out, put in the splitter plug, the white plug, and now the servo in. And now we have another one for our LED lights. And as you can see, light works. So let's test out if our servo works also. Yep, perfect, like it should be. So these are the metal fittings that we have to put in the canopy, where we can put in our LED lights. So I put this big one and here the big one. See that? Super easy. Other side also, guys. And now the front. I like this so much, guys. So let me show you the inside. So they're very near together, but you can do it, it's no problem really. So take a look. Yeah, super easy. And the other side, guys. So let's start putting our LED lights and the metal fittings. And for the front big headlights, we need to put the cables a little bit to the side so that it can fit, as you can see. And we're done, guys. So looks super dope, man, I love it. The studio is too bright, so let's put this thing on the street for a little night run so that you can see how bright they're shining. So stay safe out there, guys. See you next week.